Hello, this video will show you how to implement your minigame into the menu level of Byte-Sized Bonanza. You can see right now I am in my minigames level. I'm done. Pizza time is completed. So what I'm going to do in the content browser, I'm going to navigate back to the minigame menu level by going to Starter Content, Maps, Mainframe level, and I'm back here in the menu level. I'm going to go back to Content in the content browser. There's that. And then to add your game to the actual menu, over here in the World Outliner, you'll see the actor games. Expand that. You'll see all of the actors that is within games. You can duplicate any one of these actors, so I'm going to go duplicate game 6 by going to Edit, Duplicate. Make sure that the number that appears in the actor that you created is the same as your minigame ID. My minigame ID was 11, so that is fine. If yours was 8, then just change it to game 8. That's how it works. Then over here in the details window, look for the actor's tags. It might be minimized, so just look for that. And then the first tag is going to be the title of your minigame. Mine was Pizza Time. The next tag is the creators of the minigame, just me. The next one is the minigame ID. The one after that is the date. And then the one after that is the description. In this game, you make pizzas. Great. Any tags after these 5 are going to be optional. So if you wanted to, we can delete those tags. These are the only ones that are necessary for a game to properly appear in the menu. Ones after this are additional descriptive words that will allow people to sort by the types of minigames they want to play. So Pizza Time is an RPG, and it is educational. So we'll include those tags as well to help people find it easier. Now we need to add the thumbnail for the minigame. So in the content browser, under content, you go to menu UI, go to thumbnails, then just port over the thumbnail of your minigame, Pizza Time, then go back to menu UI, go to game icon, click graph, find the thumbnails variables, and then in the default value for this variable, scroll down, there's no empty ones, so we create a new element in this array, and this element is going to have the Pizza Time thumbnail in it. Make sure that the number of the thumbnail, the index of this array, is the same as your minigame ID. Mine is 11, so this works. If it's not the same, you can just move it where it needs to go, or add additional blank thumbnails just for placeholders that can fit in between. Like if mine was 12, I could just have that in there for 11, because whoever has game 11 hasn't made their game yet. So we'll just delete that. Save. And then everything should be in place for it to work. We go to play. Open up a new window. We can see that Pizza Time is now in the menu with the title, all the stuff that we filled in, tags. You can search by RPG, educational. Pizza Time shows up for both, but it doesn't show up for FPS. And then if you were to click play game, you'll see that the stuff I added to Pizza Time, the level, is in there. And if you press escape, it opens up the pause menu and you can exit back to the menu. It's right back there. So I hope the minigame went well and that implementation is nice and easy.